everybody, in this video I will show you how to turn your empty wine bottle into something very unique for your house. Like this bottle, it will have your own personality, your own touch, and you are going to like it. So let me show you how to do it. Like you see, I put a string around the top of my bottle with a loose tie. Then I cut more strings, double the size of the bottle. I'm going to fold it on half and pass it through the one around my bottle. Then I will get the two left strings that are hanging down under the hole, through the hole, and pull it. And here you have, this is how it looks. I will do this all around my bottle, and then I will attach two of the strings together with a knot. I will do the knot a little bit lower, and I will go around doing this all the way down until I finish there is no more strings. And it will be like a short knit. It won't go all the way on my bottle because I want to do a little resin ornament on my bottle. So for the moment I will keep it short, and once I have my resin ornament on my bottle, I will continue the skirt. So this is how it looks, like a little knit. If you want to, you can get the string longer and just do your whole bottle. It's up to you. I'm pulling it down, and this is how I'm going to leave it for the moment. Later I will add more strings and make more like a little dress, continue following the same system. Now I'm going to do my resin art. I add my little fish. It's like a little freshwater world, and you can use your imagination. I put some little rocks, and I'm going to use some transparencies that I got, like these ones. Like you see that little mermaid, and there is another one in the middle. I thought it was a mermaid, but I think it is like a little fairy. It's okay, it doesn't matter. I'm using the resin that you can dry with UV light like in 3 minutes. Now I glue it to my bottle, and in that square that you see, that square, I'm going to add more transparencies, and I'm going to add some dolphins and some whales. Because this is my little world, I can mix it, so it doesn't matter. Fresh water, salt water, everything together, it's okay. I put a sticky paper around on my bottle because I'm going to use this resin, and resin works on level places, and the bottle is not level. So this is to help, so when the resin goes through, I don't make too much of a mess. It's okay if a little goes through, but I will have to do it really fast and put the light. So I'm not able to show you this part very well because my phone, I cannot do so many things at the same time. But I'm putting some transparencies around, some little work like this. You see it? This is before the resin. Now I'm going to add the resin, and I'm going to put some dye on my resin, a little bit of blue dye, and I will put my UV light really fast so it won't look like a mess. So I'm using my dye, and I will put my resin. I will use the UV light, and I will show you what is the final result because it's messy. So let me show you. Let me clean it a little bit, and I will show you what is the result. It's not bad. I think it looks pretty nice. Now that I have this, I'm going to continue make my macrame dress longer, this macrame dress, but I will do it in a little bit. First, I want to remove some of the frosty on the bottle. You saw that the bottle looks like white, like a frosty white, but I want to make it more clear, so I will use resin, with dye, and I'm wearing gloves. So I'm going to mix it with a toothpick, and then with my finger I will rub it around the bottle, and it will help to make it look more clear, and it will have some kind of texture. You'll see what I'm talking about. So let me show you. I'm gonna rub it. Can you see how it looks more clear? So now I finished the dress of my bottle. I glue some shelf around, and I add another little wall, another circle with a fish and some little rocks, so I have two sides. And this is the result.